Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to do another weekly setup in my work planner. My work planner is this DIY disc bound junior size or half letter size planner. The cover and the discs are from Tool. I pulled out a few things for this weekly spread. I have these Let's Get Planned stickers. Let's Get Planned opened in February, so it's fairly new stationery shop, and I think they have an awesome selection and variety of stickers. And this is one of the sticker books from Isis Ella Jewels. I'll be using some of the boxes out of this book, as well as some of the boxes out of Floral Boxes by Kel of a Plan. So let me go ahead and pull out the week that we will be working on. So this is the previous week. Let me move my page mark. So yeah, this is the previous week. Most of this is from Fabulously Creative. I do have a discount code in the description box below, as well as the link to Fabulously Creative. So I'm moving on to the week of the 7th through the 13th. And let's set this aside and get started. So I did also, I forgot to mention, pull out this washi. I want this to be a somewhat neutral spread, but I may have pops of these greens and this white. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, neutral colors with some blue, because I need something to go with her jacket. Okay, let's go. I think I'm going to start with this one at the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and put the lighter neutral color at the top. Let's get the washi graveyard and get rid of this. So there is our base somewhat. So then I have these stickers that I think they're already available to patrons by the time this video goes up. I'm not sure, but if not, then they will be. So this is going to go here for this week temporarily in case I want to change that. Then I'm going to place her, if I can get her off this. I'm pretty sure this is that nice vinyl paper, because that's a little harder to peel off the backing like the clear paper is. And I probably should have put my other washi down first, but I get ahead of myself. So let's do some of that now. So it looks like I'm going to keep it neutral and not add the green. I'm going to use these blue boxes because they are denim colored. Kind of offset her shirt. I probably shouldn't even use this here, more like up here. Let's see what we got in here for neutrals. I'm going to use one of these Today stickers. I like it here. I got these work stickers. So let's put this here. Let's see if there's anything in this book that I can use. I'm going to use some of these. Plan on it. Slay all day right here. And of course I want to use good vibes only. So I'm going to put that one here. Good vibes only is a little dashboard page that I have in my B6 Stylogy. Let's see what else is here. Oh, that typewriter is cute. I think I want to save that for another day. I'm going to use the Hustle. I've been holding on to that one for a while. Let's use it. Let's use Goals. So I think that's pretty much it. Very simple, basic spread this week. Neutral tones. Let's pop this back in. Here we go. All right, so that is it for this weekly setup. Very basic, simple. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded. This doll is from Let's Get Planned, as well as the work stickers. The today and this week sticker come from a printable that is available on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. The blue boxes are from CHELA Plan. The neutral tone box is from Isis Ella Jewels. The bows and the small quotes are from Fabulously Creative. The inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites, and I believe that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.